Hey there, everyone. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video of Claude Masterclass. So, in this course, we're going to learn about everything the Claude offer, and we're going to learn about anything that makes Claude better, and we're going to discuss why it's better. This is going to be in sequence. We're not just going to randomly hop one topic to another. And let's see which sequence are there. First of all, we're going to talk about the fundamental. Why Claude is one of the tools that has a lower hallucination rate, and why the UI is really helpful in the cloud, and why does and how extended thinking actually help the hallucination. Then we're going to talk about the project automation, the problem, the solution, and how it works. So basically, project is just a set of instruction that applies to number of conversation that you allow it. And then after project, we're going to learn about artifact. Artifacts are like mini version of web apps that runs within Cloud and helps you be more productive and do your work more easily. And there are also skills. Skills are like the project, but it's more universal. If you have a skill turned on, then the set of instruction applies to everything you work on. And if it doesn't, then you can ask Cloud to work with that skill. Then we have MCP, which is also can be worked with extension. MCP is not much different from extension. There are tons of tools in your extension you'll find in your settings and developer tools. There you will find extension, and from the extension you can customize your Claude even more, and as well as make your automation next level. That will give the Claude access to your local file in your computer, give access to Google Drive, as well as your Gmail and many other major applications. And with that, you can make and feel and get a truly immersive automated experience from Claude, which is unmatched from any other AI that is providing currently. Claude is also working on the coworker and Claude Code to make your app development faster and make agentic AI available to everyone. And with the course, you will know and understand every part of the text I have just explained, and hopefully you'll understand easily. So that'll be it for the workflow and fundamental. Thank you for watching.